Hi guys, hope you are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to install or update software in your device Infinix Zero 30. But before we start, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video.